Undoubtedly, no disease has any religion, ideology, school of thoughts, color, creed, caste, region, or country. Rather, it simply follows the command of Almighty Allah by any course ordained by Him alone. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, ما أصاب من مصيبة إلا بإذن الله ومن يؤمن بالله يهد قلبه والله بكل شيء عليم. No disaster strikes except by permission of Allah, and whoever believes in Allah, He will guide his heart, and Allah is knowing of all things. Surah Al-Taghabun, Surah number 64, ayah number 11. Beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam too contracted sickness, even though he was innocent of all sins and the most pious personality of the world. Therefore, no individual or group should be hated due to their sickness. Sickness should never be linked to one's religion or identity. If anyone hates or ridicules any sick person, he himself may fall prey to the same disease. Therefore, when someone finds another fellow human being in any misery or disease, he should be indebted to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It is Allah who kept him safe from that. So let's adhere to healthcare individually and socially, shun hatred, and keep humanism alive.